Well, maybe if you can get it into the wind, I don't know. There it goes!
Oh my god!
I think it found a slipstream.
It worked! Yeah? Okay! I'm sorry!
It's still going!
It's still going. We threw a paper airplane!
From the top of Lambert Peak. Oh, now it's diving. Whee! Oh! Oh no! I lost it.
That was awesome!
Have anything to say, Bryce?
I'm glad we kept trying.
Me too.
Persistence pays off.
Yeah.
Yay! We did it.
Yeah.
Woo!
Alright, fire when ready.
Okay.
Hopefully it'll even fly.
Here goes. Let's try
That
it again.
wasn't all that spectacular, was it?
Wait. Fly it. It's not working. Where's the wind?
Surely.
The wind's not going with me on this, is it?
Well, if it's a proper airplane, it'll still fly.
Just go up the other way. Move this way.
And my sunny, beautiful.
And I'm gonna die too.
What are you talking about?